Now, even as the second wave of COVID-19 pandemic has engulfed the entire country, including Manipur, Governor of Manipur, Najma Heptulla, appeals to the people through Mummy TV to get vaccinated and take utmost care to protect themselves from COVID-19.
I wish all the well to the watcher of Mummy TV. I want to request everyone to promote vaccination. I request everyone to get vaccinated, because if all of you cooperate, then only we'll be successful in our efforts. So through this television, Mummy, name is also very good, Mummy. I request everyone to follow the appeal and promote as much vaccination as possible. Government, all those instruction SOP the government is showing, everybody should follow it, because your cooperation is needed in our success against the pandemic. So government is also trying their best to prevent the spread of pandemic. So please cooperate with the government. Thank you. All the best. Mummy TV.